AB2138 was passed on July 1st by the California legislature, and it prevents past criminal convictions from harming California licensees in the way it had done in the past. Assembly Bill 2138 does many things to aid professional licensees in the state of California. The first thing is they're now limited as to how they can use past criminal convictions in the approval or denial of licensing applications. Convictions over 7 years old are no longer sufficient grounds for license denial. Criminal convictions must be substantially related to the occupational duties or qualifications of a licensee before they can be used to deny an application to revoke a license or suspend a license. New license applications can no longer be denied based on past criminal convictions if the applicant can show that the criminal conviction was denied, expunged, pardoned, or can show proof of rehabilitation. Prior to the passing of AB 2138, license applicants had to disclose all prior criminal convictions, but now with the passing of this new legislation, new applicants are no longer required to disclose prior criminal convictions unless their particular board or agency does not require a fingerprint check. Unlock Legal provides focused representation to California licensed professionals or those who want to become licensed in the state of California. And as such, we're so happy that California legislation is following suit with AB 2138.